አገኘሁሽ አንቺ የመላጣ ልጅ።
How about you, Sarah?
Have I ever cheated? Maybe.
Maybe?
No, I have never cheated. I've never cheated. I've never been cheated on.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like ሌላውን ቴክስት ያደረገች ካየሃት ምናምን
ሳክስ አገኘሁሽ አንቺ የመላጣ ልጅ። ኖ ቢፍ ግን I think she cheated. Like it is for camera. Like ቅድም አስታውሱ ቅድም she said she dated ለ9 ዓመት and ለ7 ዓመት ስንት ዓመት ነው እሱ? ነው አይደለም ይቅርታ ለ9 ዓመት እና ለ5 ዓመት 14 ዓመት እድሜዋ ስንት ነው? 25 ዓመት ቀንሱት 11 ዓመት what she been dating for like ከ11 ዓመቷ ጀምሮ it doesn't make sense bro which means she is lying about something because the first response she gave have you ever cheated ሲባል she was like nah maybe nah it was a joke I haven't ምናምን ነገር sucks